Hey guys, today we're back down at Lasalle Park doing some more fishing. Let's try to catch ourselves some large enough bass or try to catch something today. So I'm just going to get my bait caster set up and get casting. Okay, that's there. Crankbait on. Okay, let's go over here to the dock. Hopefully we get something here. Except for weeds. Worm? Hopefully we get there's something. Oh, we're getting bites. Got it right at that sign, so that's good. This thing passed back out. Oh, you got one. Nice. Girlfriend got her first one. Open up. Yeah. There's the girlfriend's perch right there. Nice size too, just a little tiny guy. Throw him back in. There he goes. He already has one now. Nice. Oh, you seen mine? Oh, thank you. There is. Oh, yeah. Oh, thank you for watching. No. There you go. She's already caught her first perch. I haven't had anything yet. So we're getting bites now. Come on. There's action going on right over there. Okay, well. Gotta fix that now.
Yeah. They were probably 50.
Remember, keep tension on your line. If there's a path that takes you down there.
That little bridge there,
yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, no problem. Got one. Perch. You just missed. I just have a fan.
Yeah?
Yeah, I had someone who watches my videos. First one, guys. First perch for me. Come on. Tiny little guy. Whoops. So I'm tied up with his girlfriend now. She has one, I have one. So there is a guy across the bridge who does watch my videos, which is kind of cool. So it's always great to meet someone who watches my videos.
Hopefully they last longer.
Hopefully we can get a bigger perch. Get 1 minute. Okay. Yeah, it's a nice one too. Okay, girlfriend got her second one. It's a nice silver bass.
Some of mine. I don't do that shit.
Nice silver bass. Right there. Nice size.
Did he give you those free or?
He also has a dorsal fin up too. There he goes. Her second fish already. Doing better than me right now. I gotta get a new worm to fix it. Try to get ourselves a nice fish. There we go, just let it sit and sink. Oh, you already got a hit there. Let's sit there. Hopefully we catch something. Because I really need a nice big fish. Oh, they caught a nice big one down there. Yeah. Carp fishing. Got one! It's another perch. Ooh! Nice little size. Oh, he's like barely hooked too. Nothing? Okay, don't worry about it. That's my second one. Oh! Oh, there he goes. There goes that picture moment. Not really, just like around in that part there, but over here it's not as bad. I use a drop shot. That's hilarious, they're talking about me. They think I'm a boat kind of guy. I need to make sure I still got my worm. And I do, I just gotta fix it. Got one. Another perch. He's a fighter. Nice size this one is. There we go, third perch.
The worm, just put them up. Just hook them up.
Goddamn chipmunk bit me. I had a bunch of food in my hand.
Yeah, I got a nice one a couple days ago.
Yeah?
Yeah, a nice perch out here, so.
Do you keep anything out of here? Or just...
No, I just catch and release.
That's cool. Happy and excitement, that's excellent.
It's actually her birthday today. So happy birthday. Give her a nice walk. Yeah, she just turned 1 today. Wow. Yeah. I was over there feeding the chipmunks in the bedroom. Oh, no. Yeah. Oh, no. Oh, that's terrible.
How many views you got on your video now?
Last time I checked there was 51. But then I got another one up already today.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Is there any other places around here to fish?
There's the Burlington Lift Bridge.
That's what somebody told me. Has it been any good?
Usually for the steelheads on the lakeside,
Yeah.
and usually carp on the inside as well.
You gotta go up north to get some good.
Yeah.
Caught a nice walleye last week.
Oh, nice. There's some walleye in here, I've been told.
What's the difference between walleye and pickerel? Americans call them walleye and Canadians call them pickerel?
Yeah,
Is that it? Okay.
I guess. I know Americans have a different name for bass as well.
Oh, do they?
Yeah.
Yeah, because my buddy's like, you got a walleye, and then my other buddy's like, no, it's a pickerel. What's the difference?
Yeah, I know up in Rice Lake there's walleye and pickerel up there.
Yeah, we were on Shimano.
Oh, okay.
Nice muskie. Started bragging. Oh yeah, boys, I got the muskies. About 6 feet away. Boom, gone. He didn't set the hook. That's what I thought, and they're dark. Yeah.
Yeah.
Even when we took out his boat, after I caught that walleye, we were 25 minutes out into the lake,
Mhm.
and it was about 6:30. So he said we better head back.
Yeah, I went up to Rice Lake this year, 2 weeks ago, and we went out on the boat fishing for walleye at night and didn't get a bite.
Oh no.
And we were using live minnow.
Oh yeah.
And usually when you use live minnow, you know you've got fish around because your minnow starts acting
Yeah,
up.
yeah.
Nothing.
Yeah, it took us 25 minutes to get there. On the way back, boat broke down.
Ooh. That,
Took us an hour and a half to get back.
oh.
It's pitch black.
Yeah. Okay, let me just finish up. Got one. Perch. That's my fourth one.
Wow. They're only little guys, eh?
He's like the biggest one I've caught in today.
I've been fishing this spot after the go.
Fourth one today. Oh, he's active one. There we go. Nice size too. Get a nice release on this guy. There he goes. Hey guys, so I caught in 4 perch today. Girlfriend's caught in 2. Packing up everything and heading home. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you guys hit that like button. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys all in a new video. Thanks for watching.